Okay, as you can see, I've just lit the forge that I've made. It's only been going 10 minutes. Now, the blower I've had to put underneath directly, so it's blowing the air straight up in here. There's two fans. They're all ducted fans, one on top of the other. That's just covering the wiring, that, because it's raining a bit. That's clamped on with these here, like that. And that's held on the flange by these nuts. And the first one I did didn't work out because I put the unit over here, so it was blowing that way and then up. There weren't enough air getting into it, but this time you can hear it, can't you? Whirring away. The air's being sucked on under here, straight up, straight through that pipe and inside. Look at that, it's going great guns now. It's only been going 10 minutes. I put some mesh on the top of the pipe. I don't know, you can just about see it, but anyway, it's to stop crap getting down the pipe. You might get bits of ash, but that's about it. And also under here there's a hinge door. It's mesh covered, the wing nut, so you can unscrew that, let the door drop, let any crap fall out or scrape it out. Finley! And then put it back. If the fan ever breaks, you need to replace them or whatever, just take these nuts off here. This will drop down, and then there are nuts, grub screws there. Take them out, that comes off, and then you can release both fans inside. Like I say, you get these ducted fans at £2 a penny, but that is going great guns now, that. And I've also strengthened the whole of the forge with bar, which I've rolled. It's on casters as well, so it's movable, so you can move it around. I'm going to get a switch for this, proper switch, not a plug, proper switch for that. I'm just going to test it shortly to see whether it'll heat a round bar up to the point where I can hot work it. But yeah, that's going great guns now, that. And it's all because of the air blowing through the bottom.